Hi there! Wonderful to have you here at our 𝗤𝗍𝗀𝗀 channel. Today I will show you how incredible easy it is to book your dream Bali paradise tour and how to save 20% while you're at it. The best part, it's completely risk-free and secure. Just follow along as we head to 𝗤𝗍𝗀𝗀.com. Let's dive in.
Save 20% on your dream tour with code 808539. Next step. On our homepage, you'll see the Tour Overview button or our featured popular experiences. Choose either option to begin your journey. Next step. You're now at our Tour Overview page. Take your time exploring all our 𝗤𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀 boutique tours. Each tour card shows you a glimpse of the amazing experiences waiting for you. Next step. You found a tour that speaks to you. Click it to enter the detailed tour page. Here's where you'll discover everything about your chosen experience, from magical moments to practical details. Next step. Now we begin customizing your experience. You'll see options to set your group size, adults, children, and infants. Select your preferred date. Choose your tour language. Look for the Proceed to Checkout button when you're ready. Next step. Time to tell us about you. Look for the fields with red asterisks, these are essential. Feel free to share more details to help us perfect your experience. And remember that 20% discount? Enter 808539 now to claim it. Next step. If your tour includes transfers, you'll now choose your pickup location. Either select from our hotel list or type in your accommodation details. If no transfer is included, simply enter the full names of everyone in your group. Next step. Review time. Check all your tour details carefully. You'll also choose whether to add travel insurance to your booking. Next step. Almost there. Mark the checkbox to confirm you understand and accept the booking conditions. Final step. Welcome to our secure payment page. Use your debit or credit card to complete your booking. Your confirmation will arrive instantly, and we'll contact you with exact pickup details at least 48 hours before your tour. Done. Congratulations, your paradise adventure is confirmed.
We can't wait to be part of your Bali journey. Whether you have questions or special wishes, we are always here for you. Just reach out via WhatsApp or email and we will respond right away. Remember, paradise isn't just a place, it's the moments we create together. Your dream vacation is just around the corner. See you in 𝗤𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀.